The driver's seat is automatic with lumbar support, and the passenger seat is a standard manual. The gauge cluster is customizable. The fit and finish is pretty good. All important buttons are physical and within reach. We have a wireless charging pad. It's got a standard rotary gear selector. This is decently sized. And you have a sunroof. Second row passengers have decent legroom. I'm 5'7", and I'm sitting behind myself. This is pretty comfortable. We've got 30.7 cubic feet of cargo space and 70.8 with the second row seats folded down, with a full-size spare. So having driven this car for a week, handles surprisingly well. Obviously it is a Grand Cherokee. I drove the previous version, or the last generation of this car, and I always felt that it was a very peppy engine, and no difference here. This car is the inline six, and you can hear the engine. And mind you, I'm not even in sport mode. It's just regular normal mode. I think there are only two modes on the car. At the altitude trim level, I feel that this car has got all the features that you would need and nothing less. So it does have the the adaptive cruise control. It doesn't have active lane centering. It will nudge you back in, or will let you know that you are veering out of lane, and you can see that that's right there. I'm right there, but it's not active. That I can tell for sure. Like, it doesn't try to keep you in there. It'll just kind of let you know that, hey, you're out of bounds. It's got the blind spot monitoring system, just like typical Stellantis products. Plenty of room for a 5-seater, and in terms of handling, it does what it's supposed to. So when you look at, and it's got the sunroof, so when you look at the value for money, I feel that it gives you that. When you look at the screen, again, it's not a large screen. Like I said, I've been driving it for a week, and it does everything well, and that's great. You don't need anything more than this.